Tim and Lauren, former First Lady Laura Bush wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post to express her disapproval of that new policy you guys just mentioned there. Now, she hasn't really commented on much political debate since her husband left office, but she calls this new policy cruel and immoral. She writes that she understands the need for immigration reform, but feels the administration has gone too far. She even calls it un-American, saying, quote, "It is our obligation to reunite these detained children with their parents and to stop separating parents and children in the first place," end quote. Now, the current First Lady has also taken a different tone on this matter. A spokeswoman for the First Lady says, quote, "Mrs. Trump hates to see children separated from their families and hopes both sides of the aisle can finally come together to achieve successful immigration reform." She believes we need to have a country that follows all laws, but also a country that governs with the heart. Now, former First Lady Laura Bush is calling on lawmakers to change that policy. Later this week, we're expecting to hear more about that legislation that's expected to be taken up in the House. For now, reporting in Dallas, I'm Hannah Batah for Good Day. Back to you guys.